Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a hot minute since I've posted a cleaning video, and it's also been a hot minute since I have tackled my upstairs. I have said all weekend long, come Monday morning, I am going upstairs and I am deep cleaning this space. This is not an area that you really see a lot in my vlogs because I typically clean downstairs because honestly with 5 kids, it's hard to get up here and deep clean, but it seriously needed it. Like it's almost embarrassing. I was out of town for almost an entire week a couple of weeks ago, and I feel like I have been playing catch up ever since. So today I am focusing on this upstairs space. I'm focusing on the 4 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms up here, getting everything cleaned and sanitized and tackling the mess. So if that sounds interesting to you, come along with me. It should give you some good motivation. I'm starting in my 3-year-old's room, and honestly that comforter is not even like meant for a twin bed. I have not bought bedding for him yet just because he still has accidents and I haven't quite figured out the bedding that I want. So that comforter I think was actually a full size, but I made it work. Also, to be noted, he's 3 years old, and I swear he is my child that kind of like does things that my other kids didn't do. And one of those things includes like tearing up books. Like I can not really have books in his room where he will like peel them and tear them. Even the like hard like board books that you don't think he would be able to do that with, he does. So his room desperately needed vacuumed just to get up all of the mess that he had made. Now we're moving into my 5-year-old's room. We had actually helped a friend out that just recently had twins by keeping her little boys over the weekend. So I had just an extra crib mattress in here that one of the little boys slept on that I needed to get cleaned up. And I also needed to wash his bedding, clean up the mess on the floors, vacuum, etc. This room was just a hot mess that needed some attention.
I don't wanna lie, we've been feeling right. Tell me that you want me. Hoodie with the stripes, turning down the lights, just us. Play it from your phone, all I wanna know is how we really got here. I don't really care, we can lose sleep, just us. I just wanna know if you could love me like I do. I just wanna know if you could love me like I do. I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you. I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you. Taking in your eyes, sinking in the night. Tell me where the time's gone. You can pick the place, no one in our face.
Next, I'm heading into the boys' half bathroom that's off of our hallway. This room, honestly, y'all, was borderline embarrassing. Probably is embarrassing. It was a mess. I have been trying to like stay on top of wiping down the countertops while the boys bathe, but I have decided that I need to make sure I have a toilet bowl brush like accessible in all of my bathrooms just so I can clean the toilets on a daily basis as well. Because honestly, if I have to go like hunt down a toilet bowl brush, I'm not going to clean the toilet when I am busy doing mom life. So that's going to be a new hack for me where I just keep one accessible in every bathroom. But this toilet, do not judge me. Like I said, it's disgusting. I'm going to blame it on the fact that I have little boys, but honestly, it's the fact that mommy's been lazy and hasn't cleaned this bathroom.
I just really wanna feel it more with you. Feel love with you. Feel love.
I'm now just using like Clorox wipes to wipe down the toilet. Generally, I use like more of a natural cleaner or some type of like cleaning spray, etc. on my toilet, but I have been keeping Clorox wipes just accessible in all the bathrooms to just kind of do like a daily like wipe down of all the surfaces. So that's what I'm using here because it's what I had right beside me and it works.
I just really wanna feel it more with you. I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you. More with you. Feel it more with you. Feel more with you. Feel it more with you.
To finish off this bathroom, I'm just going to go ahead and sweep the floors and give it a quick mop with my Norwex mop. Also, let's just go ahead and note the fact that there's like a feather or something stuck to my booty. I keep noticing that, and it's a little bit embarrassing, but I can't really like cut that out of the clip. So if you see a little white feather stuck to my butt, I see that it's there, and I can't do anything about it.
To see your face light up my phone. I don't know what the future will be holding. All I know is I wanna be holding you. No, I didn't think I needed your love, but you're the only.
Okay, so this is a little bit later in the day. I have finally gotten the babies down for nap time, and now I'm going to tackle my bedroom. I washed my bedding today and just pulled it out of the dryer, so I'm going to start by making my bed and then going from there. And like I've said multiple times in my videos before, this room has not been renovated. This room has not been touched since we moved in. I did move the blue lamps from my dining room hutch upstairs when I was decorating for fall, but I don't know that those are going to be the lamps that we will actually use in my master bedroom, but I figured this was a good space for them in this in-between seasonal time. So don't judge this room, y'all. Also, to be noted, I still have my pregnancy pillow. I don't think I'm ever going to let it go. I love that thing. So I just make my bed with that underneath my sheets. It doesn't necessarily look super pretty, but I don't really have super cute bedding right now anyway, so I don't really care. Also, to be noted, I still have a feather on my butt. So there's that.
But you're the only one that I've been thinking of. I'll do anything to get back your love. Say that you want me. Say that you want me back. No, I didn't think I needed your love. But now I don't think I could ever get enough. I'll do anything to get back your love. Say that you want me. Say that you want me back. I don't know what to think about the future. I just know that I can't stop thinking about you. I don't know what the future will be holding. All I know is I wanna be holding you. No, I didn't think I needed your love, but you're the only one that I've been thinking of. I'll do anything to get back your love. Say that you want me. Say that you want me back. No, I didn't think I needed your love, but you're the only one that I've been thinking of.
To make hanging up the laundry a little less tedious, I was catching up on some YouTube while I put all the clothes away. Today I watched Kristen from Life Made Simple. I love her channel. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Be sure to check her out. She's very, very similar to my content. We've done a collab in the past. She's great. But I was catching up on her newest videos. I also watched some Tara Henderson and a few more of my favorites, so that made the time go a little bit faster. But I wanted to go ahead and say something here. I know that in the YouTube world that like these velvet hangers are like what everybody's striving to have. They want to get rid of all their plastic hangers and use only these, but these things drive me crazy. My husband insists on them for his shirts, and I get that they hold the shape better, but like I feel like they're so hard to get clothes onto and to get the clothing straight because it all kind of like sticks to it. So I actually hate using these. I don't even use them on my own clothes. I just use them for his. And every time I have to hang his clothing, it drives me insane. Now that I have all the clothing put away, I'm going to go ahead and just tackle the general mess of this room. My husband's side always has cups and clothes laying on the floor. I always have a bunch of junk on my nightstand, so I'm just going to go ahead and do like a quick little clean sweep to get all of that cleaned up and then wipe down the furniture.
I know I said I like to be alone, only 'cause it's all I've ever known. Myself and no one's home. You're stepping on my comfortable routine. You're messy as...
Now we're heading into my master bathroom, which is honestly just as embarrassing as the hall bath was. Maybe a little bit more wiped down and the toilet's a little bit cleaner than what the other one was, but it's still just a disaster. There's crap everywhere. It just needs a good like clean sweep and then a deep clean.
Much caffeine, waking up with you right next to me. La da 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 da, got me feeling 16 lately. You give me such a rush, like breathe you in and I'm alright. Floating, I'm hoping I don't come down. Yeah, I wanna tell you all my good news, give you a spot to leave your shoes.
I'm sure I'm not the only wife who has this issue, and actually I think I've said this on a few of my cleaning videos before, but my husband always piles clothing in the corner of my bathtub, and I never know if it's clean, dirty, or what it is. So I'm gonna have to tackle his like clothing pile once again. I honestly, like, I joke with him all the time. I'm like, I don't know what to do with those clothes, but yet he keeps doing it. Anyone else have a husband that just does something like that all the time? Now I'm just tackling this tile space around my bathtub. This is honestly my least favorite part of my master bath. If I had it to do over, or if we were completely renovating this bathroom, I would take out this tile completely. It's white, and I feel like with white tile, like hair always gets stuck to it when you're trying to clean it, and it just takes a million times to wipe it down. But also I have short girl problems because of it, where I have to like climb inside my tub to even be able to like reach to clean it. So that is what that is.
Alright, you give me such a rush, right? To get high on you.
At this point, I have the shower and the toilet all cleaned and wiped down, and now I'm going to go ahead and tackle sweeping and mopping the floor. That's going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for ignoring the feather that's been on my butt this entire video. So embarrassing. But I just wanted to go ahead and say a quick thank you to all of you guys who have supported my channel, who leave comments, who are always there to watch my next video. I just reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and that is such a huge milestone for a small YouTuber like me, and it would not be possible without you guys. So thank you so much for your support. And with that being said, I'll see you on the next one.